Hello everyone. I'm Evelyn Morrison and this is my younger sister, Madeline.
Hello everyone. I'm Madeline Morrison, but you can call me Maddie for short, and welcome to the 7th episode of the Mathematics with Evelyn series. Today we're going to be talking about the most famous mathematical constant, which is none other than pi, since today is March 14th, 2026, Pi Day. And no, we're not talking about the food pie, since this pi doesn't have the letter E. Pi is actually a number.
First of all, pi is an irrational number equal to 3.14159976433832795504638841971693993750582097 and so on and so forth. The digits go on forever with no end. As of December 2025, over 314 trillion digits of pi are known.
Pi is everywhere. It is part of many formulas, such as the circle circumference, circle area, and sphere volume. The formulas are 2 pi r squared, and 4/3 pi r cubed, respectively. It also appears in physics, probability, and calculus.
If you're wondering how pi appears in physics, well, something can move in a circle, like a wheel or planet, where the circumference formula 2 pi r applies, as well as the angular velocity, which is omega equals 2 pi f, where f represents frequency. P even appears in waves, in the formula y equals a sine 2 pi ft, where, like I said, f is for frequency, a is for amplitude, and t is for time.
Pi appears in probability since it appears in normal distributions, the bell curve used in statistics. The probability density function is given here, where mu equals mean and sigma equals standard deviation. The square root of 2 pi factor ensures the total probability equals 1.
Calculus frequently produces pi when integrating circular or symmetric functions. The given integral is important in probability and statistics. So basically, pi isn't just about circles. It appears in physics because of waves, in probability because of the bell curve, and in calculus when we integrate symmetric functions. Fact number 3, pi appears in trigonometry and defines the radian system. A full circle equals 2 pi radians, half a circle equals pi radians, and a quarter circle equals pi/2 radians.
Fact number 4, pi can be approximated by fractions, which are 22 by 7 and, more noticeably, 355 by 113, the latter of which is approximated by the first 6 digits after the decimal point.
Fact number 5, there are pi memorization records. Back on Pi Day of last year, a 10-year-old, Alberto Davila Oregon, from Bristol, UK, was able to recite 280 digits of pi in 1 minute. And on October 21, 2015, Suresh Kumar Sharma from Jaipur, India, was able to recite a whopping 70,030 digits of pi in 17 hours and 14 minutes.
Before we end our Pi Day lesson, I want to talk about something interesting. Has anyone heard of the 2012 movie Life of Pi, directed by Ang Lee? If not, well, let me tell you what the movie is about. It's about a 16-year-old boy named Pi Patel who survives a shipwreck and spends months at sea with a Bengal tiger. His full name is Pi Singh Maleter Patel, but he shortens it to Pi. The character even memorizes many digits of pi when he's young. Just like the digits of pi, Pi Patel's story feels endless and unpredictable, and he even spends 227 days at sea, which is a reference to the fraction 22 by 7. I highly recommend you all watch this film if you haven't done so already. And before we go, I have a riddle for you all to solve. See if you all can decode this.
Anyways, that is all for today's lesson. The answer, by the way, was I ate some pie as a pun to Pi Day. And before we go, I would like to wish you all a happy Pi Day 2026 and enjoy the rest of your day and have some pie if you want. The last time we had a déjà vu Pi Day was on March 14, 2015 at 9:26, and you won't be seeing another one until 2115, which is in 89 years. But anyways, this is me and my sister, Maddie, signing off. See you in the next video.